Are your car's headlights cloudy and worn out? This is how our car's headlights got restored, and we wanted to share these tips with you. Begin by spreading the compound evenly across the foam pad. Then, polish the headlights with the polishing machine's foam pad using slow and overlapping motions. Use a microfiber cloth to clean the headlights. Repeat the polishing process with a different compound for the second round. Dry the headlights with a microfiber cloth to restore their shine. A coat of ceramic glass rain screen can be applied to further enhance the shine and protect the headlights. Tell us in the comments, did you restore your car's headlights? What technique do you know? If you like this video, give a thumbs up.